Today, we are diving into the world of robo-advisors, specifically looking at the Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Robo-advisors have become an increasingly popular option for investors looking to automate their investments while minimizing fees and maximizing returns. Charles Schwab, one of the largest brokerage firms globally, offers a robust and competitive robo-advisor service. In this review, we will explore the features, benefits, and drawbacks of Schwab Intelligent Portfolios to help you determine if it's the right fit for your investment needs. One of the standout features of Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is the absence of management fees. Unlike many other robo-advisors that charge an annual advisory fee, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios offers its service without any advisory fees. This means investors can retain more of their returns. However, it is essential to note that there are small ongoing management fees for the underlying investment options. These fees, known as expense ratios, range from 0% to 0.65% of invested assets, with most funds on the lower end of this spectrum. The overall weighted average expense ratios range from 0.02% to 0.19%. Another significant advantage of Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is automatic rebalancing. This feature helps maintain clients' ideal asset allocations by periodically buying and selling investments to ensure the portfolio stays aligned with the investor's goals and risk tolerance. Additionally, the platform offers tax loss harvesting, a valuable strategy for clients with larger account balances or those in higher tax brackets. Tax loss harvesting involves strategically selling investments that have declined in value to offset taxable capital gains from other investments. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios also provides a unique feature called Schwab Intelligent Income, designed to help retirees and income-seeking investors generate a monthly paycheck from their account. This feature offers guidance on safe withdrawal rates and required minimum distributions for traditional IRAs, making it easier for clients to manage their income needs. Despite its many benefits, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios does have some drawbacks. One significant downside is the platform's requirement of a minimum initial deposit of $5,000. This high minimum deposit can be a barrier for new and younger investors who may not have that amount available to invest. Another area for improvement is access to human financial advisors. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios does not offer access to human advisors unless clients opt for the premium version, which comes with additional costs. The premium service, known as Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium, charges an initial financial planning fee of $300 and an ongoing monthly advisory fee of $30. Additionally, the premium service requires a minimum balance of $25,000. While this service provides unlimited one-on-one guidance from a certified financial planner and a customized financial plan, it is more expensive than premium offerings from other leading robo-advisors. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios operates by allowing investors to put their money into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds. These ETFs provide exposure to a variety of asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and other investments with minimal expense. The platform uses over 50 different ETFs, many of which are Schwab's own funds. Investors start by completing a short questionnaire that helps Schwab determine their risk tolerance and investment objectives. Based on this information, the robo-advisor constructs a portfolio tailored to the investor's needs and preferences. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios then monitors client accounts daily and automatically rebalances them as needed to maintain the desired asset allocation. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios offers several key services that make it an attractive option for investors. These include automatic rebalancing, free and automatic tax loss harvesting for accounts with $50,000 or more, and automatic tax-friendly withdrawals. The platform's daily monitoring and automatic rebalancing ensure that investors' portfolios stay aligned with their goals, while the tax loss harvesting feature can help reduce taxable income by offsetting gains with losses. The Schwab Intelligent Income feature is particularly beneficial for clients approaching or in retirement. It helps set up a recurring monthly withdrawal in a tax-efficient manner, providing guidance on safe withdrawal rates and required minimum distributions. This feature can be a valuable tool for managing retirement income and ensuring financial stability. As previously mentioned, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is among the cheapest robo-advisor platforms available. With no account management fees and minimal investment expenses, investors can keep more of their returns. The platform's investment fund fees range from 0% to 0.65%, with the portfolio weighted average fees typically between 0.02% and 0.19%. For those interested in the premium service, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium offers additional benefits at a competitive cost. Premium clients pay an initial financial planning fee of $300 and a monthly advisory fee of $30. While this service requires a minimum balance of $25,000, it provides comprehensive financial planning and personalized advice from a certified financial planner. When it comes to customer service, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios offers robust support for technical issues. Customers have access to 24/7 US-based support from real people, ensuring that any technical problems are promptly addressed. However, investment advice is limited to those who opt for the premium service. Without paying for the premium service, clients do not have access to human financial advisors, which can be a drawback for those seeking personalized investment advice. Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolios offers a compelling robo-advisor service with many benefits, including no management fees, automatic rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, and a unique income strategy feature. However, the high minimum deposit requirement and limited access to human advisors without the premium service may be drawbacks for some investors. Overall, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is an excellent choice for those looking to invest at least $5,000 and seeking a low-cost, automated investment solution. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.